Good morning, student. I am Rajendra Simori, your maths teacher from the Gnan Manjari Vidyapith Mova. Again, welcome back in this online session of mathematics, and we will discuss here the bridge course. And today is lecture number 3. In the previous two lecture, we were discussed about the comparisons of the large numbers at the last, and we will also now we discussed about the addition and subtraction of the large numbers. But before going on that addition and subtraction of the large number, we also discussed here the some of the points that is related with the comparisons of the large numbers and both the system of the international numeration and the Indian number system. So today we will discuss about the addition and subtraction of the large number. So let us move on it. First one, now we all know that into the class 5th, that is how to add the two large numbers and how to subtract two large numbers. So first we will discuss here that how to adding and how to subtraction of both of the numbers. So we all know that how to add and subtract large numbers. It is easy to know which operation to use when you see the plus or minus symbol or when someone asks you to add or subtract. So here two numbers is displayed here, like one is plus sign and second one is the minus sign. So when we use this for the addition, we starts from the right side 0 0. That's why we have to put the 0 addition is there, 2 and 1 3, then 7 plus 1 8, then 2 plus 8 0. Same way 2 plus 8, that's why we have to got here the 10. So we have to put the last one digit of 0 and 1 we have to carry on the next. So that way we have to traditional addition we have to made 6 plus 8, so we have got 14 and plus 1 carries there, so 15s are there, and in 15 we have to take another one carry, 3 plus 2 5 and 6, so 1 is carry, so 6 and 1 plus 1 2 is there. Similar way we go for the minus. So 0 out of 0, then 0 subtract from the 0, then 0, 2 minus 1, that is 1, 1 में से minus 7 नहीं होता है, that's why we have to take 2 is cross, that's why we have to get 10 plus 1 11, and we have to gone through same way for the similarity of the subtraction. So this is the tradition method for the plus and sign. So let us move on to the another one methods that we are used, that is NADOS. So what is the meaning of NADOS is here, NADOS. So however in daily life the plus or minus symbol do not necessary. When it appears, we need to think about which operation to use and then choose the correct option. So we will use the NADOS, NADOS strategy to solve real life of word problem. So how it works, that we have to understood the complete procedure of the NADOS. First one, how to solve any word problem is given with using this strategy. The strategy name is NADOS. NADOS. It is also known as NADOS. So first we have to understood about the NADOS. They abbreviate this whole word. First one N. N means numbers and keywords. Numbers and keywords. You can also write down this full form of this NADOS inside your book. So whenever it required or whenever it asked, that time you remembered well. So this N for numbers and keywords, A for ask, what is asked in the question, D that is draw to understand, O means which operation to use, and S for solve the problem, isn't it? So how to solve this word problem? So using this NADOS, NADOS, numbers, ask, draw to understand which operation is used and solve the problem. That is the actual procedure sequence that we are using in this strategy. Already we learned into the fifth standard. So let us recapping it. So here one examples how to solve this word problem using the NADOS technique or NADOS strategy. So first one, a music shows was organized on Saturday and Sunday. 1,21,367 people watched the show on Saturday, and 2,23,678 people watched it on to Sunday. How many people altogether watched the show over the weekend? That is the one questions over here. How to solve it? So first we have to use the NADOS. So first word is N. N matlab we have to use the numbers and keywords. So here how many numbers are given into this word problem? तो हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि पहले इस क्वेश्चन में कितने नंबर से या कितने कीवर्ड से। तो पहली प्रोसीजर हमारी ये होनी चाहिए कि इसमें से जितने भी नंबर हमें दिखते हैं वो नंबर्स पहले लिख लो। तो हमें दिखता है 1,21,367 and 2,23,678. That is our numbers. Now we will move on to the second one strategy options, that is A. So here what is asked in this question? तो आप समझ सकते हो कि पूरा क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के बाद ऐसी कौन सी चीज है कि इस क्वेश्चन में हमें पूछी गई है, व्हाट इज आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन। तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या कहा गया है, हाउ मेनी पीपल ऑल टुगेदर वॉच द शो ओवर द वीकेंड। दैट इज अवर question that will be we will solve it. Third thing is that from these questions we have to identify the draw to understand. So first one, 1,21,367 on Saturday and 2,23,678 on Sunday. So both are the visitors on Saturday and Sunday. So that is we have to understand or identify from the question. So three key points we have to solve here. Now two are remains O and S. So next one O. O means which operation to use. हमें इसमें कौन सा ऑपरेशन यूज करना चाहिए, हमें आइडिया लेना है इस क्वेश्चन में से। तो दो चीज हमें बताई गई है कि सैटरडे और संडे को कितने विजिटर्स, ये चीज हम पता चल गया। ओके, सो नाउ वीकेंड मीन्स सैटरडे एंड संडे, इज इट ओके? एंड टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु वॉच द शो ओवर द वीकेंड we need to add the number of people who came on the both the days Saturday and Sunday both. तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, कौन सा ऑपरेशन हमें यहाँ पे यूज करना चाहिए, एडिशन, क्योंकि हमें दोनों का सम चाहिए ना। वीकेंड का मतलब होता है सैटरडे एंड संडे बोथ, तो दोनों कीवर्ड हमें यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं, नंबर्स दिए गए हैं। सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू ऐड बोथ ऑफ द नंबर्स. So we have used here, we need to add the numbers of people who came on the Saturday and Sunday both. Then we move on to the last one, that is S. Then we have to solve the problem. So we have to make one place value box here, ones, hundred, tens, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, and we have to put appropriately whatever the number is given into the question. तो जो नंबर हमें क्वेश्चन में दिए गए हैं वही चीज हमें प्लेस वैल्यू बॉक्स में रख देनी है। जैसे ही हमने रख दिया पूरे नंबर्स को लाइक दैट वे, तो आपको आंसर में क्या करना है, ऐसा एक बॉक्स बनाना है और वही बॉक्स में ऐसे दोनों नंबर्स को आप लिख देंगे, बाद में आप उसका एडिशन करेंगे। देयरफॉर 7 + 8 हुआ 15, 15 हुआ मतलब 1 कैरी हुआ, 6 + 7 यानी 13, 13 + 1 14 हुआ, फिर से कैरी होगा, 6 + 3 9 होगा, तो कैरी 1 ऐड करेंगे तो 10 होगा, फिर से 1 कैरी होगा। ऐसे हम 1 by 1 जैसे हम एडिशन करते हैं ना, वैसे ही हमें एडिशन कर लेना है। So therefore actual we have to find out here 3,45,045. That is the people watched the show over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So this is the NADO strategy. We have to follow such kinds of the 5 different steps, and finally we solve the problem. Similar way, we have to move another questions like second one. In 2015, city A had a population of 6,59,787 in 1990. Its population was 4,35,187. How much did the population of city A grow by 2015 as compared to its population in 1990? तो हमें यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन करनी है, 2 ईयर का पॉपुलेशन हमें दिया गया है, और वो भी इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरेशन में दिया गया है। आप देख सकते हो ना नंबर, तो 659 मिलियंस को हम कंसिडर करेंगे यहाँ पे। ऐसा 2 ईयर का नंबर्स दिया गया है, तो हम पहले नाडोस में एन में क्या करेंगे, पहले हम नंबर्स फाइंड कर लेंगे। नंबर्स एंड कीवर्ड्स इसमें क्या है, 659,787 and 435,187. Similar way, the second question is that what is asked in the question. Okay, so here asked the question is how much did the population of city A grew by 2015 as compared to its population in 1990. So third one question is again D for draw to understand. So population in 2015 how much, 659,787, and population in 19 435,187. So growth in we have to find out growth in population. So last one, fourth one, sorry, which operation we are used here, because we have to find out the growth, so we have to compare here the 2 years population. So obviously we have which one sign we are used, or which one operation we are used here, subtraction. So that's why we are using the subtraction in this side. So growth in population is equal to population in 2015 माइनस पॉपुलेशन इन 19. ये फार्मूला हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे बिकॉज हमें ये स्ट्रेटेजी में वो फाइंड करना है विच ऑपरेशन वी यूज्ड हियर. So next one we are using the final stage, that is to solve the problem over here. So we have to put here one place value box inside, and all the numbers as per the rule we have to depict inside the each cell, and then after we have to subtract here. तो ये चीज थी नाडो स्ट्रेटेजी एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में कैसे यूज होती है. तो फिर से यदि पूरा समझ में नहीं आया तो यू हैव टू रिवाइंड दिस वीडियो एंड यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द होल टेक्निक नाडोस and what is the full form of NADOS. You have to also write down in your book. Whenever it required, you recall it and easily used in this kind of the large numbers in the addition and subtraction. Is it clear? So I hope everyone is understood very clearly that these things is very very easy for you. So let us move on to the next point. So let us move on today's homework. आज आपका होमवर्क इसी नेडोस टेक्निक के ऊपर रहेगा. नेडोस स्ट्रेटेजी क्या है, or how can we implement into the different word problem. So I just give you to the in today's homework that all the questions whatever I given in today's part, that you have to solve at your own. Okay, if you get required some kinds of the reference, then you can move forward, rewind it, and again you have to show the whole techniques of the NADOS, and that strategy you implemented in today's homework. आज के होमवर्क में आपको जो अभी से मैं दो क्वेश्चन तीन क्वेश्चंस दे रहा हूँ, उस क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे वन बाय वन आपको दिखाई देगा. So first thing is you have to solve today into the today's homework. So this is the today's homework part 1. This is the first questions of here. So today you have to solve if Maya has 23,45,654 blue and 23,45,123 red balloons, how many balloons does she have altogether? So you have to solve out with the NADO strategy. Okay, so this is the first question. Now we move on to the second one. This is your question number second. आज का ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन आपका होमवर्क का. तो आज जो मैंने दो क्वेश्चंस आपको दिए हैं वो दोनों आपको नैडोस स्ट्रेटेजी के ऊपर आपको सॉल्व करना है, and you will send this both of the questions and answer to me as your today's homework. So without failing you have to send this both of the technique. We have learned today only one things, that is for how to addition and subtraction of the large numbers with using the NADOS strategy. NADOS strategy से हम कैसे एडिशन करते हैं और कैसे सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं, वो टेक्निक दोनों आपको यूज करनी है. 1 and 2 क्वेश्चन जो मैंने आपको दिए वो दोनों सॉल्व करने हैं. And this is the question number 3. So this is the question number 3 of today's homework. So how many numbers questions today? 1, 2 and 3. All three word problem you have to solve in today's homework. I also send it today one PDF, that is earlier questions. मतलब we have to solve at least whatever the practice questions in given PDF, you have to solve 1 to 11 question from that practice question, and you also simultaneously write down in your rough book. तो जो मैंने लाइव सेशन में बताया था आपको, वही चीज़ आज असाइनमेंट के फॉर्म में आपको प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन के फॉर्म में आपको PDF के फॉर्म में मैं रख रहा हूँ. उसमें पहले 3 पेज जो है वो क्वेश्चन है, और आपको 1 से लेके 11 तक के क्वेश्चन आज तक के सभी पॉइंट्स को कवर करके आपको ये सॉल्व करना है. उस PDF में सॉल्यूशन भी नीचे दिया गया है. यू कैन इफ यू हैव रिक्वायर्ड टू नॉट सॉल्व योर साइड, कि आप यदि सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हैं, देन यू हैव टू यूज दिस PDF विथ द सॉल्यूशन, क्योंकि उसमें सॉल्यूशन भी दिया गया है. तो 1 से 11 तक के क्वेश्चन सभी आज की PDF के जो क्वेश्चन है वो आप अपने रफ बुक में प्रैक्टिस के लिए लिख देना है. और सेपरेटली जो आज का होमवर्क मैंने बताया है वो 3 क्वेश्चन है, वो भी इसमें इंक्लूड होंगे. तो ये तीनों 3 क्वेश्चन है, उसमें से भी आप लिख सकते हो, बट आपको याद रख के करना है, क्योंकि ये टेक्निक, ये स्ट्रेटेजी जो नाडोस स्ट्रेटेजी आज हम सीखे हैं उसको भूलना नहीं है. इज इट क्लियर? सो आई होप सो दैट you understood well what I am telling in front of you, but without failing you have to work out on today's homework. फिर से मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि 3 क्वेश्चन का आज होमवर्क है. वो तीनों 3 क्वेश्चन आज के वीडियो के साथ जो PDF आपको भेजी है वो PDF में से आप लिख सकते हो, बल्कि 1 से 11 क्वेश्चन तक, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से 11 क्वेश्चन तक आप हम यहाँ पे ब्रिज कोर्स में सब कुछ सीख चुके हैं. सो यू हैव टू सॉल्व आउट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 11, एंड इफ यू रिक्वायर्ड देन यू आर गेटिंग द रेफरेंस फ्रॉम दैट पीडीएफ. ये पीडीएफ में से आप कर सकते हो. इज इट क्लियर? सो विदाउट फेलिंग you have to send me today's homework and be attentive, and if you require any kinds of the solution, then you can also ask me. So thank you very much for being with us. We will meet very soon into the next lecture. Till, you have to work hard with using this pdf and everything, and you also watched simultaneously for your reference my videos. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you. Thank you.